Today, you are embarking on a journey that will transform not only your education, but also your entire outlook on life.
It was some 30 years back when I was on the same benches. I was trying to find the hall where I have to go and attend the induction.
You are entering in the new phase of your life, so-called college life. So it's a privilege for me to receive you as a new intake of Success Point College.
And the 3 years, it was so nice. I enjoyed the maths, enjoyed the life. Along with that, I tried to make something which is very unique, which is very important in your life, that I got my certificate and I made some skills along with all the moments.
It's me, Shain Kanagadas, Assistant Academic Cadet at Success Point College. It's been more than 7 years I'm working with Success Point out of my total 15 years of teaching experience.